So we're in the formal entryway of the home, which is great. A place to take your shoes off, have a nice piece of furniture, some art. You have your direct access from your garage as well, which is here. 2-car, full size. And on this level, the first floor, you have 1 bedroom with an ensuite bath and a backyard, which is really unusual for a small lot home like this. So if you see this as well, like upstairs in our 3rd level, this opens all the way. And it's true indoor-outdoor living. So you could use this as an office, as a guest suite. It has a separate entrance. You could have it as a rental. And then it has its own bathroom with a shower, custom tile work, a really large vanity with a lot of storage. So quite a comfortable guest suite if you ask me.